on that sailboat come sail away. If not, at least to dress like we are. So this was new not too long ago, and we're not able to reorder it. So I wanted to show it to you. It's so cute. It's also that slub knit of the top that we were just talking about, which is cotton rich, 60% cotton and 40% modal. So you can see the texture there. And then there's these the sailboats are very tastefully done. I love the braiding here and the way that tassel comes down. So again, a boutique find, like those really nice details that you get in a top like this. You're gonna machine wash, tumble dry, nearly sold out in its debut. We cannot reorder it for whatever reason. I don't know why. And it's not because it wasn't popular, because if it sells out almost in its debut, we were like, well, let's get more. For whatever reason that we can't on this one. So you need to get it for a $14.75 easy pay. This is the sandbar. And we had the sandbar capris, the Prima Belle capris earlier. I love that. I mean, how chic is that? That is just
super
a
cute,
gorgeous outfit. Or the white. The white looks good too, because that has the same little tie. Oh, I actually kind of like that better. I don't know, I like them both. So that's the sandbar. Then we have Twilight, of course, for the very yachty look, that very nautical. I mean, if you get this top, you kind of have to get these Prima Belle capris, I think. Easy
Goes
pay,
together
maybe?
perfectly.
I mean, I like to have a whole outfit when I get it out of the box. But of course, any denim, you know, these will go with. Shorts, super cute. And then we have the white. And the white has black in the sailboats instead of navy. So that's the white with black. We have navy with white. And then we have sandbar with white. And you know what? There are actually perfect match in some pants on QVC.com if you want to do that look too. So there's the item number. 647979. That's for the regular length. There may be, I'm sure there's a petite as well. But if you look at the, like where there's a slash through it, all of those sizes are sold out. This brand in particular, and those are on clearance too. Look, $72 for 50 or for 35. 72 for 35. This is the cool thing about shopping one line. Is you get these outfits that go together. But number two, I have to let you know, I don't get to present Belle by Kim Gravel very often. I just realized why, Allison. Because there's a main show on, when is it, Tuesdays at 9?
Wednesday morning.
Wednesday morning.
And
with
Saturday night.
Mary D'Angela. And then, yeah, Saturday night. And everything sells out or gets close to it. And we don't have enough to even ever have a presentation on QVC One again. So that's why I'm happy that you're shopping now, because this almost sold out in its debut and we're not getting any more back in. Even if we could, it would be 2026, and who wants to wait until then?
No.
If you're thinking it's a little early for the boats, you're like, I'm gonna tell you, these will not be here in a month. Certainly not 2 months. So,
and we may not be able to get them back. Just something as simple as the print or whatever. It could be anything, y'all. Honestly, because if it was gone like that, everybody loves it.
Yes.
And I love that you said, Terry, you told us 60 cotton, 40 modal. I like to tell people about modal because I never knew about it till I came to work here at the Q.
I was like, everybody's talking modal, modal, modal. I'm like, what is that? Yeah.
But now, Terry, can I be honest with you? I can pick it out of a haystack. Girl, I went into a shop. True story. Went into a shop in Dollywood. I was out in Dollywood, and I went into a shop, and I was going to get a top, and it looked similar to this. And I said, I'll bet you anything. I was across the store. Bet you anything that's got modal in it. Honey, did we pull it out? And it sure did. So it looks, listen, it looks and feels expensive.
It is.
That's what you need to know, because it is expensive.
Ooh, it has pockets?
Look at that, Jamie.
I would have never known. Jamie's 5'9". She's in the 1X. The length, oh, it does look cute with the pants that have a smaller scale. The length is 27¼ inches to 33½ inches. And those pants are on clearance, so if you wanted the whole look. It does have the hood in the back too, so pockets and a hood. Again, she's 5'9", she's in the 1X, and that length gives, you know, full booty coverage, if you're wondering. 27¼ inches to 33½ inches. Here's the hood, and you know what you can do? You can play with the drawstring a little bit.
You sure can.
and have it like, I've seen Amy Strand do this. She's really good at it. And then you do, I mean, she's so stylish.
Ooh,
like
that's cute.
You know, you can do a little tie here just to hold it
love
there.
That.
And then,
Girl,
I mean, because most
things.
of the time you're not going to wear the hood. But it becomes,
girl,
right?
I'll be honest. I just like a hood because I just like a hood. I'm not going to put it on my hair because
Right.
I'm not. That's just who I am. But I want it to look that sporty look. I want that casual, you know, look. So the hood gives it that. I also think when you were just mentioning the pull and the tassels, you mentioned it early. We did a rope kind of feel
love it.
for that pull.
To give it kind of the nautical.
Yes, gives it that nautical sailboat look. And then the tassels. I will make one suggestion for everybody, Terry, on this one. If you have a tassel, and this goes for anything you buy with a tassel, let me help you out today.
Oh, please, yes.
Please turn it inside out when you wash it.
Yep.
And I am a big fan of garment bags. I bet you anything, if you go to QVC.com, you can find you a garment bag real quick.
Oh,
but if you can't, get you one. Because when you turn this inside out, stick it in a garment bag, pull it out, it's going to keep the tassels perfect. Now, you don't have to do that for the tassels to stay good, okay? I'm not trying to say that. But if you want to really, you know, I like to take care of my clothes, Terry.
Yes,
when you spend hard-earned money on your clothes, you want them to stick around, right? So that's exactly what I do with mine. Anything that's got a tassel, I turn it inside out and stick it in the garment bag.
Okay. This is that twill. That's a great tip. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes.
I love a hood over a denim jacket, too. So I was just looking. We have this jacket coming up for $45.
Can't believe it.
And it's twill in the front, but then it's totally knit
in the back.
In the arms and the back. But look how cute that looks. I love a little hood over the jacket. And then this is coming up next, I think, actually. So we brought
super cute
up early. So I'm going to change into this actually in just a second. We brought this top up early because a lot of you were asking about it after we gave a preview. There's the information on your screen. $45 for that twill jacket with the knit back. And so I will remind you, this has had one presentation, almost sold out, and we have fewer than 500 for the rest of the year. That is not enough to ever be on QVC1 again. I mean, never say never, but like, you know, when Kim is on.
It won't happen.
No, it won't happen.
No,
when Kim is on with, you know, with Mary DeAngelis, with Rachel Bozing.
Yeah.
Everybody is waiting for new, and it goes fast. So let's get ready for the summer. I'm so ready.
Don't say it, Terry. Don't say it yet.
I know. Are we not really there yet? It's going to be icing today in the like in the middle of the night.
Hey, Saturday, y'all getting snow again, Kim said.
Don't tell
me.
I don't even listen.
I'm going to just tell you. Now, do you know we live by the groundhog rule down here? Did you know that?
Oh, you do?
Our groundhog is 80% of the time right.
Really?
He did both
and
of
we
our
don't have
groundhogs.
the same groundhog that you do?
I don't think so. We have our own here in Georgia.
What's his name?
General, what's his name? I can't remember. Okay.
Ours is Puxatawny Phil.
Oh, gosh, that's a big name to remember.
I know.
Is like, it's nothing crazy, okay? but he did not see his shadow, which means 6 more weeks of winter.
Did ours see? Does anybody know?
In PA,
6 more weeks for us, too.
Okay,
I just hear.
We're all in the same boat. Okay, but look, that
where did that thing ever come from? Like the whole, that is so
Girl,
weird.
That's a whole different show. Kim and Mary got on groundhogs this morning. I'm like, don't do it. We're going to be talking about this all day.
Oh, no, that was so funny.
Yes.
I missed it. When was Groundhog? Every day in my life at this place is Groundhog Day.
Same, girl. Same. I love you. You're so funny.
I love you, too. All right, we have it in the sandbar. Don't forget about the capris for the matchy-matchy.
Look at that tonal look. Gosh, I love that. Hey, Terry, 2 things you would not know about this top if we did not tell you folks is that it has the pockets like Jamie showed us earlier, but it also has a cuff. And look, that cuff, you don't even see it. You aren't going to see it on, but I want you to know that it's there because when you pull that up to that 3/4 length sleeve, it's not going to keep falling down.
Love it. Okay. Twilight has white and then white has black. Nearly sold out in its debut, and we cannot reorder it. A647994 is your item number. You have 30 days to exchange for size or color for free.